Kaierda, focusing on industrial robots and industrial welding equipment with a pragmatic and steady pace, constantly moving forward in the midst of change and constancy. With the courage to break through and innovate, explore unlimited possibilities under the empowerment of science and technology. Kaierda keeps up with the pace of transformation and upgrading to build an unmanned machining workshop to achieve standardized, automated, and intelligent high-end manufacturing. Combined with high-performance data measurement and collection, complete precision testing of mechanical processing, relying on intelligent warehousing and logistics systems, let efficient production, precise quality, and intelligent management complement supporting together. Practical application in automated production and assembly areas through high-speed equipment and precise positioning devices. To achieve fast and accurate completion of product assembly tasks, to break through the difference between products in millimeters. Achieve large-scale production of high-quality products. Use automated spraying technology and equipment. Better control of the flow rate of paint and the pressure of spraying. Ensure the quality and beauty of the layer. Quickly complete the layer operation. Make every part of the product evenly covered. In the comprehensive performance automatic detection area, carry out a comprehensive and detailed inspection and evaluation of the product. In-depth analysis, continuous optimization, achieving more stringent quality standards. Kaierda makes every delivery exceed expectations. Rooted in the front line of R&D, Kaierda, with a group of top industrial robot welding technology experts and talents, focusing on the formulation of national standards, diligently creating invention patents, continuously expanding the boundaries of innovative technology, the application of new technologies, reshaping machinery with life force, continuous iteration. Let robots move towards more efficient, more stable, more accurate, more energy-saving, and more humane. Kaierda is committed to unswerving pursuit, committed to providing the world with advanced products and technologies of Chinese intelligence.